What's up? If you're watching this, I'm Gears of Snore. I'm either going to Warwick or Hawks Nest or both today. Not going to be the same video. And just like any of my latest videos, it wouldn't be a motorcycle ride without a trip to Torque Custom Cycles. And let me explain why. So you can see I got the quad locks situation corrected, right? But because Harley, that company we know and love so much, they really can produce some great products. I mean, hell, this bike is a prime example of they can compete when they want to compete. But I think, if I remember reading correctly, don't mind me, bud. Shredded Nissan. But anyways, back on topic here. I believe this bike was the product of the old guy in charge, not Mr. DEI himself there. But that being said, Harley can make some really dumb choices, like these mirrors. So, and the windshield mechanism. So in order for me to get this quad lock on, I had to take the mirror off. And in order to take the mirror off, I had to push the windshield. And you can't see, but there's a bar here with two clips on it that holds the windshield in place. But you can't just push the windshield back onto the bar. Oh, no. You have to take the two clips off, the right arm off, slide the bar out, slide the bar back into the windshield, and then put the windshield back. And the guys at Torque were nice enough to fix it for me last time when I broke the lever, because there's a trigger there and, well, reading directions. But we're going back over because I need him to fix the bar again. And I called up and I was like, Mike, please, God, can you squeeze me in? Can you? So yeah, that's how the video's starting. If you could give it the thumbs up or leave a comment, I'd appreciate that. But yeah, this is my second ride with the Indy Ridges on. I will say, I have the vibration dampener for this. It is going on. It shakes like crazy on this in neutral. It doesn't seem to be that bad moving, but yeah, I have it and I've just been lazy. So it's going on. Probably the next video. Whoa, what the hell is somebody? I swear to God, somebody's like going in my garage and I moved my mirrors. We'll probably hit 500 miles today on the bad boy. I will say, as someone who's been on floorboards and forwards for the past, 4 bikes, that was one of my biggest concerns with this, was going back to this riding position. But man, after a ride or two, it's not bad. I'm probably going to put the forwards on here for a longer ride. They're not forwards, they're just like fold out aluminum pegs. But or I mean, I could stand up, which is funny because if you watch Goofy Bastard's last video, he's standing up. He's like, look, I'm an ADV rider. And I'm like, wait a minute, that was like the first thing I did on my bike. And I was laughing hysterically because I'm like, look, I'm going off-road like when I rode in a patch of grass. But yeah, go over there and get this taken care of, and then bring you guys back in when we're where we're gonna be. It probably will be the black dirt region, man. I am itching. It is beautiful up there. I really like this Ducati adventure bike, man, but after I got done with it, it was like $37,000 or something like that. I was like, whoa. I also like that new BMW what is it, R1300 GT or something. It's a sport touring bike. Dude, those bikes are sick, man. You ever see the cops do the competitions on them, the stuff they do on them, and they do the same thing on the Harley electric glides. That's what I'm talking about. See all these people getting salty because now they gotta pay tariffs instead of just us paying them. Yeah, I swear this is like when seasonal depression kicks in, when you have to put the bike. We rode all the way up into December. We went to Marley's Gotham Grill in Hackettstown. That place is fantastic. We got wings. I don't even think it hit like 50 that day. Nico was the only smart one, yeah, on snow pants. I have to go in there one day. I've always been curious. The worst is you get stuck behind a tractor on this road. Oh my god, they go like 5. You can't even pass here, it's a solid line. I mean, you can if you aren't scared. If I was buying a bagger, telling you, man, new Indians. I really like the Indian Challenger. That video's got the most views on my channel. I think it just hit over 4,000. What a great bike. I just lose the war bonnet, man. I'm not a war bonnet fan. The war bonnet's that thing that sticks up on the front fender. It's my biggest fear, though, about going away from Harley, which I almost did end up with this bike, but I was eyeing up the BMW adventure bike. Cross country by me had one for shorter people. The low was a leftover, and they had better deals on financing, but it got sold. So it was this silver or black, and I couldn't make up my mind. And the dealership's like, "Yeah, we put your stuff on the silver one." I was like, "Oh, thanks, guys." Garden State Harley, great place. I think we are getting close to where I'm gonna kick this bad boy in sport mode. There's this one road, man, you can just let her rip. Speaking of let her rip, there's a BMW. I think I had the moustache on the front. That's the wing. Oh yeah, here we are. Sport mode engage. Of course, this friggin' tool's making it right. Shall we? I think we shall. God, this thing moves.